Okay, so let's move on, and it's another show time. We have WAP 06 Kamen Rider Wizard Hurricane Dragon. Okay, nice green, and comes with that, the wing. Okay. Oh, cool. Look at that. So, WAP series, any Dragon series starting from the 05, 07, and 09. Well, 08 is the beast one, so they have to skip that. Okay, so if you collect all of that, including a Hurricane, you can create all Dragon, the attack form, so it will be nice. So, well, just to test that, we have the Dragon form right here waiting to add his wings. Okay, so let's open that. Actually, it's open, and we took the picture of these, and soon to be uploaded to our Facebook site. And so more details, you can take a look at them later on. All right. Oh, actually, by the way, I like that this magic circle. That's cool. Okay. All right. Okay, good. The wings. So let's take a look at the details. All right, and so the WAP series, well, people say that's a budget line. Yes, it is, but also has the interesting features like lighting. Audio series had all the lights on, battery inside, and that was very interesting one. And Dragon series, for that, after the 06, yeah, 05, after the Flame Dragon, no lights, no LEDs, no batteries, but has that Gattai functions now. And so you can combine all that wings, tails, dragon heads, and claws, and you can collect them all and then attach to the flame dragon. I mean a dragon frame, the flame dragon. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is the Hurricane one, and nice painting and shiny, and on his mask. Oh, okay. I like his shoulder arm. I mean, protectors. Okay. I kind of see that, his, a dragon face in here. I don't know if you can, but I like that. And decent. There's no movement for the belts, but still the nice painting there. Too bad there is no painting on these here. Okay. Huh, interesting. Okay, so we have the special attachment or something sort of toggle here. Maybe we'll be using that later on, I guess. Right, and also the skirt, mount, cape, should I say? It's very, made of the very soft plastic, very flexible. Okay. Oh, I can see some hole on it. Okay. All right, and still we can play with the what is that? Wizard Dragon, I think. The maybe later on, maybe there's something to do with these holes. Attached to some vehicle or something. Okay, and I can see the Flame Dragon and the Ling here. And since he comes with the more armors. Not armors, but sword guns. Okay, and this time all the green, kind of transparent, just a little bit. Okay, and sword type. Okay, and nice joint, decent, and he can hold it. These swords or guns, kind of interesting. There you go. Like that. Yes. All right, and of course the wings. Now this is, we have, of course you get 2 of them, and here we have the joints, and I think it's a kind of one of the crow, and we can attach this to his back. こうか、こうだね。Yeah, there you go. There's one. And there's 2. Aha! Do the wings stay in well? Yep, it does actually. That's pretty good though, you know, that's pretty firmly attached. It's not loose, no turning. Okay. All right. Oh, that's good. His face, his mask goes up a little bit, so kind of, you know, looking up. All right. Interesting. You know, here we have the frame dragon one, and he has all the attachments and dragon heads and everything. I noticed that he has the same socket or sort of something connector, okay, in his back and a belt, and so is that, you know, Hurricane Dragon one too. I don't know why they have that. Probably for the tail, I guess. All right, and so I can take that his dragon wing and take it attached to his the frame dragon one. There you go. Aha, almost. See? Yeah, there you go. That's pretty good. And plus, he's got the, of course, the Drago timer. Ah, いいね. Now he's got wings, okay? All right. So that's Hurricane Dragon and WAP series. Comes with the, of course, the wings and these small parts and sword guns, gun type and sword type. And these items will be activated tomorrow and Sunday and 8 PM Japan Standard Time. Make sure to get correct all of them. Frame Dragon, Water Dragon, and Land Dragon, and of course the Hurricane Dragon. And with that, you can create all dragon completed. Okay, we're trying to make the all dragon completed here, and he's still missing that his crow and his tail. Okay, so let's see what we can do with the next WAP series. And we got the Water Dragon, which comes with a tail. So we'll find out about that. Okay. Well, thank you very much. This has been the live recording from CSTOYS International, and we will continue to move on to WAP Series 07 Water Dragon after this. Thank you, and talk to you soon.